Hi HVAC people, it's your boy WW HVAC. I got some exciting news to share with you today. Jobber is giving away over $150,000 to home service business. Just like you, just like me, over $150,000 in grants, ranging from $2,500 all the way to $15,000. Imagine what you can do with up to $15,000 worth of grants. And you can do whatever you want to do with the money. Your business could be just an idea, a thought forming in your head. So if you can use an additional $2,500 to $15,000 to fund your business, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. The application closes June 8th, 2023. We will announce the winner August of 2023. You're gonna need transportation like a van or a truck or whatever you're gonna serve the customers in. So you're gonna need uniforms, you're gonna need your logos. You wanna look professional, so you want all your logos to match all your marketing material. You might want virtual assistants when you get your phone number. So many possibilities you can use with extra funding. You're gonna need to get vehicles maintained. You're gonna need to stock your vehicle with parts. So of course you're gonna need that phone to ring. So you wanna invest in marketing, whether it's Facebook advertisement, Google advertisement. Remember, to get that phone to ring, you're gonna have to get out of the field and start working on your business. So of course you're gonna need computers. And you see I got 2 monitors, good desktop. As I mentioned earlier, good CRM software like Jobber, which I'm using now, so I can keep up with all my KPIs as key performance indicators, keep up with all my expenses, invoice my customers, keep up with my estimates, send reminders, send payment reminders. So good luck, everybody. Like I say, the link is in the description. 5-minute application in June 8, 2023. They will announce the winner in August. Good luck. All right, HVAC people.